This is how you can earn thousands of dollars to search on Google. You sign up to any of these websites or apps I'll be sharing. Answer a question based on your skills. You can do this by searching for the answer on Google. Provide the answers and get paid. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos on business and personal development. Let's get started. The first website I'll be sharing where you can search the internet and get paid thousands of dollars monthly is on MindSumo, MindSumo.com. Get the innovative ideas you need. This is on MindSumo, delivering innovative ideas to the world's top brands. Take a look at current and past projects from their clients. This is one of the questions. What can retailers do to ease consumer frustration this holiday season? 25 days left to answer this question, and you get paid about $800. These are some of the questions. You have to search the internet for these questions, get the answers, and get paid. This is on MindSumo.com. Let's check out companies that have partnered with MindSumo. Your faves are here on MindSumo.com. Here are the innovative brands that have partnered with them: Deloitte, Amazon, Johnson & Johnson, Pepsi, Shell, Microsoft, Coca-Cola, Adidas. So many of them have partnered with MindSumo. You can see a whole lot of them. Let's check out how you can get started. Where you can see share your ideas and earn cash. Click on I'm a solver. Share your ideas and earn cash. Click on I'm a solver. Once you get to this page, at the top right hand corner, click on menu, log in or sign up. This is where you enter your information to sign in. Click on don't have an account yet. Don't have an account yet. Solver registration. You have to enter your first name, your last name, your location, email address and password, your birth date, gender, creativity skills, marketing skills, technical skills. Here, make sure you are above average proficiency. What types of projects are you most interested in solving? Check these boxes and click on I'm not a robot. Then sign up. You get to answer questions by searching these questions on the web, searching the internet for their answers, and get paid. This is on MindSumo.com. The next one is Microsoft Rewards. Get on board with Microsoft Rewards. Earning rewards is easy, simple, and fun. Just search, shop, or play with Microsoft, and you'll be on your way to earning more than ever. If you want to sign up, this is where you do that. You meet the rewards. Redeem your points for gift cards. Search to earn 5 points per search. This is one of the websites where you earn money to search the web. You shop to earn, you play to earn. When you search to, you earn. This is on Microsoft Rewards. The next website I'll be talking about where you can get paid thousands of dollars for searching the web is on Instagc, instant gift cards. Digital gift cards received instantly. This is on Instagc. You get 10 free points for signing up. This is where you sign up with your username and password, with email address. You earn points for things you already do online, like completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and searching the web. You redeem your points for gift cards. You can choose from 320 plus gift cards. This is on Instagc.com, one of the websites where you will get paid to search the web. Here, you will not only search the web, you can complete surveys, watch videos, and shop online. The last but not the least website I'll be sharing where you can earn thousands of dollars searching the internet is PCH Search and Win. On PCH Search and Win, you earn prizes for searching the internet. You just run your normal internet searches and win great prizes. This is on PCH Search and Win. What is PCH Search and Win? You can find the answers here. How to enter PCH Search and Win giveaways. The answers are here. This is where you sign up if you are interested. This is where you sign up. On PCH Search and Win, who can enter and how often? If you are at least 13 years old, you can enter. What can you win from PCH Search and Win? There are 3 different ways to win prizes: instant prizes, super prize entries, and tokens. This is on PCH Search and Win. How are PCH Search and Win winners determined? Are PCH sweepstakes legit? You can find the answers here. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, consider doing that. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Bye bye.